Hey guys, Andy here. So here's my another unboxing video. It's it's a it's an on brand sync and charging cable with lightning connector made for iPhone, iPad, and iPod. 1 second here. Let's get this open here. So I gotta get this open. Motherfucker. See if I can get this open here. See if I can get this open here. See, 1 second if I can get this. Yeah, it's made for iPhone 8, iPhone 8 Plus, so and my phone could use this one. If I can get. This cost me $8 to get, I think. Get some scissors. I'll get some scissors up there back. Alright, I'm back. So get some scissors. Let's get this thing open here. Alright. I can get this thing. Alright, got it, then got it. There's the cable. Now I've gotta get this thing out of the mold here. And there it is. Now I gotta get this thing out of here. There's the USB cable, and here's the 1 second if I can get this open here. There's lightning fast cable, and gotta untangle this thing. Alright, so there you guys have it. Here, that was the on charging cable unboxing video. See you guys next time. Peace out, dudes.